Gemini ของ Google ลดช่องว่างกับ ChatGPT ในตลาด AI
Google's Gemini has made a notable leap in the global artificial intelligence market, sharply reducing the gap with longtime leader ChatGPT. According to recent industry reports, Gemini's share of user activity has grown from about 5% to nearly 18% in a short span of time. This rapid rise marks one of the most significant shifts seen in the consumer AI space since generative tools entered mainstream use. The surge reflects growing user interest in alternatives to ChatGPT, particularly as more people experiment with different platforms for research, productivity, and creative tasks. Analysts note that this momentum places Google in a stronger competitive position and signals that the AI landscape is becoming more dynamic, with user attention spreading across multiple platforms rather than concentrating around a single dominant product. Industry observers point to several factors behind Gemini's rapid expansion. One key driver has been its close integration with Google's broader suite of services, which allows users to access AI features more seamlessly across search, productivity, and cloud-based tools. In addition, frequent updates and expanded multimodal functions have made the platform more appealing to a wider audience. At the same time, reports indicate that ChatGPT has experienced a relative dip in traffic share. This does not suggest a decline in overall usage, but rather reflects a more competitive environment as users test alternative systems. Data from multiple outlets show that the AI market is no longer dominated by a single platform, with Gemini, ChatGPT, and other emerging tools each capturing meaningful portions of user attention. Analysts quoted in multiple reports describe Gemini's rising market share as a meaningful indicator of renewed momentum for Alphabet in the global AI race. The shift suggests that businesses and developers may increasingly evaluate multiple platforms rather than relying on a single dominant provider. This diversification could influence decisions around enterprise software adoption, advertising tools, and long-term AI investments. While ChatGPT continues to hold a strong position and remains a key player in the market, the narrowing gap highlights a broader transition toward a more competitive and balanced ecosystem. As new tools mature and users become more selective, the next phase of development is expected to be shaped by performance, integration, and practical value rather than brand dominance alone.
เว็บไซต์นี้สามารถช่วยพัฒนาทักษะการอ่านและการฟังภาษาอังกฤษของคุณได้เป็นอย่างดี ด้วย AI ประโยคภาษาอังกฤษจะถูกแยกเป็นวลีสั้นๆที่เข้าใจง่าย คุณปรับความเร็วหยุดหรือย้อนกลับได้ตามต้องการเพื่อให้เข้าใจทุกประโยค เว็บไซต์รองรับการแปลถึง 20 ภาษาทำให้การเรียนรู้เป็นเรื่องง่าย เพียงพิมพ์ใน as.com ในเบราว์เซอร์ของคุณแล้วลองใช้ได้เลย